ServiceTitan is built for large home service businesses, and the cost is structured around custom quotes instead of fixed public pricing. That means two companies can use the same platform and still pay completely different amounts based on size, features, and number of users. By the end of this, you'll understand what actually drives ServiceTitan cost and where the hidden expenses usually show up. The first thing to understand is that ServiceTitan is not priced like typical software. There is no simple monthly plan you can compare on a checkout page. Instead, pricing is based on the number of technicians, office staff, and the level of operational tools a company needs. The biggest cost driver is scale. As more technicians are added, the system expands to support scheduling, dispatching, and job tracking across multiple teams. This is where costs increase because the platform is handling more complex coordination in real time. Another major factor is feature depth. ServiceTitan includes advanced tools like reporting dashboards, marketing automation, and detailed job tracking. Businesses that activate more of these systems typically pay more because they are using a wider portion of the platform's capabilities. Onboarding is another cost people underestimate. Because the software is built for full business operations, setup usually involves training teams and migrating data from older systems. That transition phase often takes time and internal effort, which becomes part of the real cost even if it is not listed as a line item. There is also the operational cost of adoption. Teams need time to adjust to new workflows, especially if they were previously using spreadsheets or simpler scheduling tools. During that adjustment period, productivity can temporarily slow before the system becomes fully efficient. When evaluating ServiceTitan's true cost, the key question is not just the subscription itself. It is how much revenue it helps manage and how much inefficiency it removes from dispatching, scheduling, and customer communication. For large companies, the system is usually justified by operational control rather than raw price comparison. The main idea is simple. ServiceTitan cost scales with business complexity, not just software usage. The more moving parts your business has, the more value and expense the platform carries. Start by looking at your team size and how much time is spent coordinating jobs manually. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software and what they actually cost to run in real business situations.